Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Unstockable Trading. In this video, it's gonna be a very brief video. We are going to talk about what's gonna happen tomorrow, the SPX, and we're looking at our dip buying with NVDA. I bought some NVDA May 17 at 183.8, and then I added more at 185. I think 186-ish. If you know what happened, Intel, they beat the revenue, they beat EPS, they only lowered their future guidance, which caused the stock to drop 8%. That impacted every semi companies in the after hour, but that's okay because we are not going to expect every chip company to miss. And then I think NVIDIA is going to be very strong. So we are going to BTD buy the dip on NVIDIA at 180, 181.2, and then we'll be looking at 175 if the market is really, really bearish. But I don't think so. So that'll be the case. And also, we're going to look at what happened in Amazon after hour. I added some more. I sold all my Facebook contracts this morning, a good 11k profit-ish. Could be more. Something happened to my Wi-Fi this morning, pissed me off, but it's okay. Profit is profit, I'll take it. $10,000. I added some Facebook May 17 200 calls again when Facebook dipped to 192, and I added some more 194. I'm gonna write those out, and then I entered some Alibaba position also in the afternoon. I believe May 17 200 calls. I'm not quite sure. Check my Discord group entry and exits. So on the SPX, this is just a slight pullback before going to all-time high. And why did I say that? We need to take into the consideration of where our 10 days moving average is. So as long as we're above the 10 days moving average, the 20 days moving average, the 50 days moving average, this is still a bullish trend. Don't believe me? Let's take a look at SPY. Let's take a look at the 1 day, 1 hour, and a bigger picture. Let's look at 5 day, 1 hour. This is when we broke out to the upside, right? And then today we tested this lower channel, the breaking out time frame, and we got immediately bought back up. If that's not bullish, I don't know what is. And then in the after like last 30 minutes sell off, that's okay because people are hesitant that whether Amazon is going to beat or miss earnings. So the last 1 hour doesn't really matter to me. I just know that it's BTD, or last hour happened here at 3 to 4 p.m. After hour means nothing. So this is when we broke out to the upside, and this is when the bulls came in and bought us back up. So we are going to be inside this area for some time. What catalysts can drive this higher? We have a GDP Q1 report of this year at 8:30 Eastern time zone. If you want to ask my opinion on the GDP, I think it's going to be bullish. Therefore, we are going to have some potential upside. Yeah, this is buy the dip. Don't short this yet. We know there's no confirmation whatsoever. So on the SPY technical basis, oh yeah, we double top. But guess what? We don't have the momentum to push lower. Like this bounced off the 10 days moving average. For me, that is a super bullish reaction because the bears they don't have enough momentum to push this down. I mean, if you look at this, every time we're above the 10 days average or we touch 10 days average, we bounce right back up. So tomorrow, likely to bounce triple top maybe, and then hopefully we can break higher tomorrow. If the GDP is really, really good, we can see potential all-time high at 20 plus points on SPX tomorrow. So that's what my outlook is. And for NVIDIA, NVDA still buy the dip. Today when I see a double bottom in the previous on the April 22nd, I bought some around here. I was gonna lock my profit, but then May 17, I just write it out. Who cares, right? May 17. I mean, has earning coming up in May 16, so definitely we're gonna see some potential run towards earnings. So tomorrow I'm gonna BTD NVIDIA. I'm gonna buy more on the May 17 call, on the May 17 200 calls, and just gonna hold it. Next one, I'll be looking at Amazon. Amazon, I think beat EPS like by like what? By a lot, right? Yeah, it was a lot. Revenue also beat after hour crazy. It went to 1970. Well, my prediction was around 2000, which it didn't hit, but that's okay. The direction is right. So where's Nvidia? I mean, where's Amazon going to be tomorrow? I don't think Amazon will go down tomorrow. I think Amazon is going to go to 2000 sometime next week. Super easy doable. So expect Amazon to be in this range tomorrow and break higher next week. The next one we're looking at is Alibaba and why I'm long Alibaba. Again, we have to look at the 1 year, 1 day chart and look at this previous indicator popped up. So with Alibaba, we tested the previous resistance at 189, 188, 180. Oh, not there yet, but we hit this kind of a top. And then we did close in this very nice strong green candle. So what's most likely to happen tomorrow is either we break to the upside or we consolidate here and then we break to the upside. I'm bullish on Alibaba based on the technicals and based on the thing that we have been choppy in this range for the past 5 days, and then we refuse to break below the previous 182 and then the 183.6. So that's a sign that tells me, okay, I'm going to buy Alibaba May 17 and ride it back up. Next one we'll be looking at is Facebook and where this thing is heading. Facebook, this is still a good this does not tell me it's bearish at all. So what's gonna happen is that if the market is bullish tomorrow, expect that Facebook will go up to 195, 196. I'm still going to be bull biased. I think Facebook will hit $200 next week. That is why I'm loading up my May 17 200 strikes on Facebook dips today. That's second for the video. Check out the GDP tomorrow morning, and after the GDP, you should know where this market tomorrow is heading. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.